woke up to a sunrise painting in the sky. Each day a blank page, another chance to try. Some days we're laughing, living on high. Other days we're crawling, questioning why. Phone rings, voices both near and far. Whispers of love and battles of scar. We run the race not knowing where we are. Each step a story, each journey bizarre. Oh life, you're a wild ride. Twists, turns, taking us far side. We chase the dreams and face the tide. In all these moments we truly collide. A child's first step, a tear of joy. A seasoned heart still strong and coy. From youth's bright spark to time's decoy. In every beat life's own envoy. We dance with shadows, sing with light. In love's embrace and fear's flight. Feel the truth in the darkest night. Our human hearts always burn bright. Lessons learned in every fall. Strangers' kindness, a strength recall. From ancient tales to destiny's call. We rise together, we stand tall. Twists, turns, taking us far side. We chase the dreams and face the tide. In all these moments we truly collide. Oh life, you're a wild ride. Twists, turns, taking us far side. We chase the dreams and face the tide. In all these moments we truly collide. Oh life, you're a wild ride. Twists, turns, taking us far side. Chase the dreams and face the tide. In all these moments we truly collide. We dance with shadows, sing with light. In love's embrace and fear's flight.